Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed just under the 99 mark on Wednesday, reaching its highest level in 2 months. Investors sought safety amid growing concerns over the US dollar. Government shutdown, which has now entered its second week with no resolution in sight. The delay of key economic data releases has added pressure on policymakers to strike a deal. Markets widely expect the Federal Reserve to cut rates by 25 basis points this month and possibly again in December. WTI crude futures pushed higher on Wednesday, trading near $62, extending a recent rally. Prices found support after OPEC Plus opted for a restrained approach to production increases. At the same time, Russia's oil exports have remained at a 16-month high over the past 4 weeks. On the bearish side, the US Energy Information Administration forecasts record high production for this year, while industry data showed inventories rising by 2.78 million barrels last week, well above expectations. Gold reached $4,059, a historic milestone. Investors flocked to the safe haven metal amid global uncertainty and the Fed's dovish outlook. The ongoing US government shutdown, now in its second week, has clouded the economic picture, while traders price in 2 more Fed rate cuts in October and December. Political turmoil in France and leadership changes in Japan have only heightened volatility. Gold is up more than 50% this year, fueled by trade tensions, geopolitical risks, and a weaker dollar. The Japanese yen extended its slide for a third straight day on Wednesday, falling through the 152 level against the US dollar and touching lows near 153. The decline followed disappointing wage data, which dampened hopes of a near-term Bank of Japan rate hike. Real wages in August fell 1.4% year on year, marking the 8th consecutive monthly drop as inflation continues to outpace pay growth. BOJ Governor Kazuo Ueda has signaled that rate hikes remain possible if economic and price trends align, but he also warned of risks from US tariffs. During Wednesday's Asian session, the euro came under pressure, slipping toward the key 1.16 level against the US dollar. The decline was driven by mounting concerns over France's political crisis. The euro has struggled since Prime Minister Sébastien Lecornu resigned earlier this week, raising doubts over the country's ability to meet the deadline for submitting its 2026 budget. Lawmakers may now have to pass temporary emergency measures to keep government spending authorized from January.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.